What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have this blower motor I'm going to show you how to install on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I want to remove this panel right here. This is underneath the passenger side. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, or you could try to push down on these tabs. Those lock tabs. It's just easier to use a screwdriver. Oops. And just like that. And then it slides out. There's a little pin right there. I'm gonna disconnect the resistor connector right here. Just push this little tab right there and pull the connector down. There's a wire retainer right there. Just slide that down. This just gets the wire out of your way. And then disconnect the connector on the blower motor. There's a little lock tab. Push in on that lock tab and try to get the connector out. Just like that. Got it out. Now I want to take these screws out. I'm going to use a T25 extension and a ratchet. There's one here, one here. There should be one around here somewhere. All right, so we'll take those out. I'm going to use an electric ratchet, but you can just use a hand ratchet. Last one's right there in the front. You can grab it and just slide it down. Here's the old part. Here's the new blower motor from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. The height is the same. It has the same exhaust port right there. Flip it over. The connector is the same. It's got the same shape, same mounting positions. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So how this blower motor mounts, it's this little extra port right here, which is kind of like an exhaust port. Goes towards the middle of the car, right here. So that's gonna fit in right there. So it's kind of like, it's a keyway so that everything lines up. Take these 3 screws, get these all started. All right, got that one started. And then this back one. All right, they're all secure. I'm just gonna tighten these down. Here's my T25. Just snug, not too tight. It is in plastic, so be careful. And this last one. Good. All right, take this electrical connector, line it up in position, and lock it in place. And this wire retainer is going to attach to a little tab right here behind the blower motor, right there. Take the connector, plug the resistor back in. Reinstall this lower cover. Just slide this pin through that hole right there. And line these 2 retainers through the slots. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.